The world of digital wallets can be confusing, especially when it comes to international transactions. Today, we're tackling a question that plagues many of us. Does Grabpay accept PayPal? For those unfamiliar, Grabpay is a popular mobile wallet used extensively in Southeast Asia, while PayPal is a global giant known for its online payment solutions. So, can you seamlessly transfer funds between these two platforms? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep and find out. Breaking down the walls, understanding payment ecosystems. Before we answer the main question, let's take a step back and understand how digital wallets function. These platforms operate within their own ecosystems, often with limitations on direct transfers between them. Think of it like visiting different countries. You might need an adapter to use your electronic devices. Grabpay, for example, is primarily designed for transactions within the Grab ecosystem, which includes ride-hailing, food delivery, and in-store payments at partner merchants. While it offers some international features, direct PayPal integration isn't currently available. Exploring alternatives, how to bridge the gap. So, if Grabpay doesn't accept PayPal directly, are you stuck? Not necessarily. Here are a few alternative approaches to consider. Transfer via bank accounts. Both Grabpay and PayPal allow linking your bank account. This method might involve transfer fees, so check the terms and conditions of both platforms before proceeding. Use a third-party service. Several online money transfer services facilitate transactions between different wallets and bank accounts. However, these services often come with their own fees and processing times. Research reputable providers and compare rates before committing. Top up with a friend's help. If you have a friend who uses both platforms, they could act as an intermediary. They could receive funds on PayPal and then top up your Grabpay account using their linked bank account, assuming this option is available in their region. The bottom line, patience is key. While a direct Grabpay to PayPal transfer isn't currently possible, there are workarounds. Remember, these alternatives might involve fees and processing times, so plan accordingly. The good news? The world of digital wallets is constantly evolving, and future integrations might streamline cross-platform transactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.